Yo, hey, Amanda here, and this is a hopefully quick impromptu video I had not planned on making, but since I had mentioned the Muddy Mess product that came in my Alltrue box last time, it got me thinking, oh, I hadn't gotten my spring one, and so I went on their website and there's no way to contact them. Their contact page now leads you to an error page. And so I went to their Instagram thinking I could message them or something, and they hadn't posted in a while, and all the comments were turned off for recent posts. So I scrolled down to the most recent post that allowed comments and scrolled through the comments and found out, oh, they quietly shut down and didn't tell anyone. There is a Forbes article that explains it all. The socially conscious subscription box company has suddenly shut down and silently shut down, and this was published April 27th. I don't keep up with like Forbes or anything, so I had not even heard of this at all. And let's scroll to some of the good bits. Alltrue never announced it was closing its virtual doors, leaving customers desperately searching for answers on Reddit, where a copy of the document first appeared last week. And this is the document stating that they're going to be liquidating and shutting down. Frustrated subscribers are still waiting on orders they've already paid for, while vendors say they're sitting on unpaid invoices totaling at least 1.9 million. So that's apparently what's going on with Alltrue, which is shady as fuck. But okay. I'm not here to debate or discuss how incredibly shady this is, because I think we know this is shady. I wanted to tell you guys the actions I took. So one of the girls in the comments had, sorry if you can hear Austin coughing, we've got COVID, it's whatever. One of the girls in the comments had mentioned reaching out to your credit card company and asking for a chargeback, and I had never done that or tried that. So what I did was I had an annual subscription. First of all, I went into the website and made sure I canceled it so I didn't get any phantom charges in case their systems were automated. I don't want any of that happening, so I highly recommend you go in and do that. But secondly, what I did was scrolled through my banking app with the card that I used and found the exact charge, the date, and the amount. On mine, it was through CauseBox. It was still through their old name, what it was listed as. I guess they never changed it. So don't look for Alltrue, look for CauseBox on your credit card. And then I just called the number on the back of the card. I explained the situation, and they put me through to their disputes, their charge disputes area. So I let the lady know I purchased an annual subscription. I will not be getting half of that subscription. I'd like to get half of my money back. And she was very nice about it. Now I have an Amazon Chase, which I was using. I don't know what card you guys used. I don't know that all the banks are going to be this kind to work with or this accommodating, but they were. And so I explained to her that and the amount, and that I'm only looking for half back because I did get half of the product. I did get a fall and a winter box, so I'm not going to be getting a spring and a summer box. And she had me estimate around the dates when I probably would have received them. She had me give her a little more information about how I found out, which I literally found out after I just filmed the Kinder Beauty box video. So I was like, I literally just found out. I had no idea. I was going to check what was taking so long for my subscription to arrive. So yeah. And so they've already issued me that half credit return back to my card, and they're going to be putting it through to investigations. I'm fairly confident that that's going to come back and be fine, the investigation, because I mean there's a whole ass Forbes article explaining, yep, they went out of business and didn't tell a soul. So I'm not too worried about it, but I highly recommend, if any of you had an Alltrue box, that you go ahead and reach out to your card sorry if you can hear Austin sneezing. But you reach out to the card company that it was on and make sure if you had products you didn't receive, you get your refund for that. And go into the website and make sure you cancel any membership that you had. Whether it was a monthly charge or an annual one, whatever, cancel it. Just get it taken care of so that you won't get any phantom charges if that was automated. And that's all I've got to say. Nice, quick, and sweet one. I'll link to the Forbes article down below. This is super disappointing and annoying. I actually was really looking forward to the items that were supposed to come in my box. I was supposed to get like a really neutral tan colored purse, some like stasher style bags, some rings, some little bowl covers, a little palette, an eyeshadow palette, and some scrunchies. So I'm not getting any of that anymore. And obviously I don't recommend you check them out if you haven't. So thanks for watching. I hope this little video finds someone looking for answers, whether it's my regular subscribers or someone just looking for what the heck's going on. I know there are probably other videos out there talking about this. I just wanted to be another source of information, because the more it's out there in the world, the more people will hear about it. 'Cause I had no idea, and this article was published over a month ago. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you don't enjoy this one. This is just informational. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye.